dear friends. Today we have gathered here to celebrate a great national event. India got freedom on 15th of August in 1947 from the British rule. After freedom, we got our